Hi guys, we're gonna see how we can achieve loopable sliding using dynamic in Cinema 4D. Wow, that's a lot to read. Let's go. Hi again, this is Dyson. As you can see, I have this object already animated. Actually, I track it with object tracker and I want to have a bunch of objects into it, and this object I want to be dynamic first and sliding left and right. Okay, one way to do that, we're gonna use rigid body tag. Let's go to bullet tag here and choose rigid body for the object, of course. And now let's have a collider, for example, and let's assign collider body to it for a static object. And now let's play and see what we have. Okay, as you can see, the head needs static collider. Let's go collider tag here and let's play. As you can see, they are so messing and not sliding perfectly. Okay, we're gonna use connector here. That's when Cinema comes in and save the day. That's fastest approach we got without using complex setting or going to Houdini, for instance. Okay, let's isolate this object and use it, for example. And for this approach, we need a handler, an object. I use this cube here and let's scale this down. And of course, this cube is not visible to renderer. And let's place it. Okay, let's rename that to handler. Nice. Let's give him collider tag. Okay, and for moving object we need rigid body tag here. That's the principle. Okay, first let me clean this up. Nice. Let's go to simulation menu and bullet, choose connector, and that's our connector. Let's place it here. Okay, now let's change the type to slider and let's place it correctly, and let me rotate that as the direction I want. Nice. And let's name that to connector slider, for instance. Okay, the object A will be the handler and the object B will be our moving object. Nice. And let's play that. That's work. Okay, as you can see, the handler is not attached to our head. Let's go to rigging tag and choose constraint. Let's enable parent and handler is work now. Okay, we're gonna have a limit on the connector. That's Z limit. Okay, that will be cool, and let's play and see the magic. And voila, this object is sliding perfectly. In meanwhile, if you like this video, please subscribe for more content and help us grow. That's mean a lot to me. Thanks. Okay, now let's rename this our connector object and let's bring this lipstick, for instance, here. Nice. And let's duplicate our connector. Cool. Let's rename that. Okay, and now let's assign our lipstick to new connector, and let's uncheck ignore collision because we need actually to this object colliding with each other. As you can see, lipstick is not moving. We need rigid body tag here. Do not forget that. And let's play, and that's work perfectly. And that's the whole idea. With that, you can add another object like this. In order to have loopable dynamic here, we're gonna group them all and rename that dynamic, for instance, and let's make it cloner child. Okay, and let's set that to 1. Actually, we're not cloning this, and let's play it. Okay, that's work. and let's go to mograph tag, choosing mograph cache tag here, and let's bake it. Nice. Let's play that. We have bake dynamic, as you can see. As you may notice, the first and last frame is not equal, so for that let's go to playback tab here and let's enable loop and put 10% here. That means the cinema will enable or start the blending after playing 19% of the cache. And of course you can tweak this value, but the greater value will be more obvious blending, and be careful with it. So guys, I guess that's it. I see you in the next video. Bye.